Hello friends, welcome to Gupta Education World. In this video, we will learn MS Excel's two newly introduced magical formulas, that is filter and sort. These formulas are available in Office 365 and Office 2016 onwards. Before introduction of these formulas, filter feature and sort feature were also available in Excel. If you want to learn those features, I have uploaded the videos on the same. Link of the same is available in the description portion of this video. However, limitation of this feature is that it affects the original data. However, in these formulas, we can get the filtered data and sorted data without affecting the original data. That's why I called these as magical formulas. So without wasting your precious time, let's begin the topic. You can see in this sheet, I have the data of various customers with their bill numbers, bill amount, paid amount and outstanding amount date wise. And I want to get the data of Mr. John, who is our customer. Whatever transaction he has done with us, that we want to get separately. So here we will put the formula is equal to filter bracket open. Now we will select the array. So we will select this whole array. Now we will put comma. Now we have to give the condition based on which we want to get the data. So we want to get the data based on customer. So we will select this column and put is equal to John. And now we will put the comma. Now we will have to give if John is not found. So we will put not found. Now we will close the bracket. Now enter. So you can see based on John we get the whole data. Suppose we change this to Mohan. So in that case we get the data of Mohan. But suppose we give the name of Sumit. So in that case it is not found. So it is showing the message not found. Now we go again to Mohan. So we get the data of Mohan. But suppose we give the name of Mr. Sumit and we have not found. But here if I put something and now I select Mohan. So if this is showing the error message as this spell, because the area we want to use, it is not blank. So if we blank this area, so we get the data. So this was the filter function using the single criteria, but we can use multiple criteria also. So now we will go to second sheet. In this sheet we want two conditions. We want the data of Mr. Mohan, but bill amount should be more than 20,000. So we will give filter bracket open. Now again we will select the area. Now we want to use two criteria. One is based on customer, second is based on the bill amount. So we will put bracket and we will select the customer area and is equal to Mohan. Now bracket close. Now we will put asterisk mark. Now again we will select the second column, that is bill amount, and we want to get the data of more than 20,000. Now bracket close. Now if empty, not found. Bracket close and enter. So you can see, firstly we have to format this date. So here you can see we have got the data of Mohan, but that bill amount should be more than 20,000. That means we are using two criteria, one cell. So you can see in this it is more than 20,000. But here we have used this asterisk mark. We can use the criteria based on all function also. That means either the customer name should be Mohan or the bill amount should be more than 20,000. So we will see this now. Is equal to filter. Now we will select the area. Now we will see the conditions. Bracket customer name is equal to Mohan, bracket close. Now we will use plus sign in place of asterisk mark, because plus sign denotes the OR function and asterisk mark denotes the AND function. Now we will use the open bracket and we want to get the bill amount more than 50,000 and not found. So this will give us the data of Mr. Mohan or other customers which are having the bill amount more than 20,000. In this also we have to format the date. So you can see here we are getting the data of Mohan and other customers which are having bill amount more than 20,000. So this is the filter function which we can use with single criteria, multiple criteria, with function AND or both. Now we will move to sort function. We have the same data and now we have to get the data based on sorting. So we will use the function is equal to sort. Now it is asking us the array, so we will select this array. Now comma. Now it is asking sort index. So sort index is the column number based on which we want to sort the data. Suppose we want to sort the data based on bill number. So we have the column number 1, 2 and 3. So we will put the 3. Now again comma. Now it is asking you want to sort the data ascending or descending. Firstly we will see the ascending. So we will press the tab key. Now comma. Now it is asking sort by column or sort by row. So we will select the sort by row. Now we will close the bracket and press enter. So you can see we have get the data sorted based on the bill numbers. Now we will move to second sheet in which we will see the sorting of data descending. So again we will use the formula is equal to sort bracket open array comma sort index number. This time we want to get the sorted data based on customers. So we will type 2 because our customer column is number 2. Now comma. Now again it is asking ascending or descending. So this time we will select descending. Comma. Now again we want to get the data sort by row. So we will select this sort by row and bracket close and enter. So you can see we have got the data of Sham, Parvinder, Mohan, John by descending order. These two formulas, filter and sort, we can use combine also. So we will use that now. We will go to filter sheet, and now here we want to get the filter data and also sort it out by descending order. So firstly we will put the filter, we will select the array. Now we will select the criteria. Suppose we want this customer wise, and this should be Mr. Mohan, and if it is not found, we will show not found. So now you can see in this we have get the filter data, but we want to also sort it out. So here we will put sort array, it is our filter data. Now we want to sort the data based on bill number. So we will give 3 as our bill number column is number 3, and we want to get the data descending. So we will select descending and press the tab key. Now comma, and we will put sort by row and bracket close. So you can see now we have got the data of Mr. Mohan and sorted out by bill number. So friends, if you like this video, please press like button and share this video to your friends, colleagues and family members. Consider subscribing the channel and click on bell button to get the notifications of latest videos uploaded on time. Thank you for giving your valuable time in watching this video. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.